You are going to love the 2020 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.